anyways, in today's video today, I'm super excited because I have the Big Into Energy Labubu from PopMart.com, and I am super happy because PopMart officially announced that they're now in the US. They're now have some products available in the US, so now they're much faster. So here's all the ones they have. They have, what is that? They have Love, Hope, Serenity, Luck, Happiness, Loyalty, and Secret. I lost my secret. So that's what I'm hoping. So, but if I'll be so happy with each of them because they all look pretty good. So let's just up. That's how you know it's real. So let's just do this. Oh, look at the bag. Oh, that's a sticker, but I'm not gonna look at it. Look at the bag. Okay, we're just gonna do this. Okay. Oh, it's like a blue one. Oh, hold on, it's so stuck. Oh! Is it the blue one? Oh my goodness! There's no way! There's no way. She said secret. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna be that lucky. I literally just got secret. Look at the teeth. Oh my goodness. Yes, I lost my last secret because I brought her to I was at some kind of event. It was a Christmas thing I had on my bag, but I do not suggest putting these big ones on your bag because they will fall off unless you have a really good clip, like those safety clips that they have on Temu or TikTok. I don't suggest putting these ones on your bag. So if you want to put them on the bag, get like a safety one. But I don't put them on my bag. I just collect them. But like, oh my goodness, see the arms go in and out. See, look at the little feet. Oh, the feet's a bit smaller than the other ones. See? And this one. That is just so cool. There was oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, let's see what the sticker looks like. Oh no, it's not a sticker, it's like those little card things. Oh, it's like little cards. I'm not gonna take it out of its plastic because, you know, this is pretty cool. Oh, look at the card. You see that? That's the little card that it comes with. I thought that would be a sticker, see? That is so cool. Always keep your stickers and always keep your little things. So if you travel, you can bring them with you. Oh my goodness. Because she said secret. I'm like, I'm not getting a secret. There was just going to be no way I got secret because that is just very rare. It's like 1 out of 100 people. But the fact that I got this is very crazy. So this is what she looks like. It's real. Oh, it's the wrong time. See, look. Up close. So if you guys want this series, I don't think it's going to be secret for every time, but here's the other ones you guys can also get. But that would be linked down below. I'm just super happy that they deliver fast, and I'm also really happy that I got this. This is like, yeah. So I'm going to post a lot of pictures of it on like Pinterest, Instagram, so don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully I'm not in my car because, yeah. Okay, bye!